That's really when you look at this. You do that check or not?
India's role in AI technology is very crucial because India is representing the global south.
But that's really when you look at the size of the models.
It's not mean economic term, it's a digital term. People who can afford the technology,
You do that check or not?
these emerging technologies requires lot of investment, lot of skill. India has those skills and India can be a emerging and natural leader of the global south.
But that's really when you look at the size of the models. You do that check or not? We're still not able to really control the system.
India's role in AI technology is very crucial because India is representing the global south, real global south. When I am talking about the global south does not mean economic term, it's a digital term. People who can afford the technology and people who cannot afford the technology. And because these emerging technologies requires lot of investment, lot of skill, India has those skills and India can be a emerging and natural leader of the global south. So the role of India is very crucial for this AI summit. I think that's why India is co-hosting this AI summit. Hopefully India will take lead and will host next summit.
Right. You're also having your own sessions in this AI summit. Can you talk to us about that and how has been the participation and overall session which we can expect will happen tomorrow?
So in the sideline of event, in CPRG along with the AI for India hosting one sideline event, and that is for the data for development, AI for global south. Because data is a real issue. Without data you cannot develop AI. There are a lot of companies who's talking about AI but they don't have legal access of the data. In India, whatever we are producing and whatever we are doing with the AI, we don't have any legal means to access those data. So that's why we have created one platform with the AI for India, Data for Dawn, literally means data donation, where people can come and donate their data, volunteer data, and they can specify whether they want to donate data for this purpose or that purpose. When I am saying India do not have any, provision for the data donation or data volunteer, I am referring to legal means. In India or other parts of the world, people are using a lot of public data, but they don't have the legal, mechanism to access those data.
How do you look at the role of AI in global politics right now? Because this is something, this is the leaders summit which is taking place, and how do you look at the role of artificial intelligence in this?
So in my understanding, AI is going to play a very important, crucial role because AI is not just, technology. AI is more than that. And when I'm saying AI is more than that, because people who have advantage of technology, they will, create a leverage, or they will, use it. I will not say against in a negative sense, but they will be a far ahead. जैसे इंडस्ट्रियल टेक्नोलॉजी के टाइम पर हुआ था, द पीपल हु हैव एक्सेस, हु हैव मनी, हु हैव रिसोर्स, और वो बहुत आगे निकल गए थे. द सेम थिंग विल हैपन टू द एआई आल्सो, बिकॉज एआई रिक्वायर्स लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स एंड इसका जो रिपरकर्शन होगा, जो इसका इम्पैक्ट वो ह्यूज है. आइदर इट्स एजुकेशन, वर्कफोर्स. हम लोग जब री इमेजिनिंग इकोनॉमी की बात कर रहे हैं तो री इमेजिनिंग इकोनॉमी इज ए वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, बिकॉज नेक्स्ट 5 to 10 years जो हमारी इकोनॉमी है या जो वर्क फोर्स का जो साइज है और जो रोल है वो बिल्कुल चेंज होने वाला है. लॉट ऑफ नॉन स्किल्ड लेबर फोर्स और सेमी स्किल्ड लेबर फोर्स फॉर्मल इकोनॉमी से बाहर चली जाएंगी या उनका जो रोल है वो बहुत कम हो जाएगा. वो ऐसा होगा क्योंकि वो एआई और एआई के साथ जो इमर्जिंग टेक्नोलॉजी आ रही हैं उनके वजह से होगा। तो इसके लिए एक सोसाइटल प्रिपेयर्डनेस की जरूरत है, इकोनॉमिक प्रिपेयर्डनेस की जरूरत है और गवर्नमेंट का बहुत सपोर्ट चाहिए। गवर्नमेंट का सपोर्ट के साथ साथ प्राइवेट इंडस्ट्री जो लोग हैं उनको भी ये चाहिए कि वो सोसाइटी में या सोसाइटी को प्रिपेयर करने के लिए और इन्वेस्टमेंट करें। विदाउट इट वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू फेस इट।
उसमें प्रधानमंत्री शिरकत करेंगे। हवाई अड्डे पर उनका स्वागत, पेरिस में प्रधानमंत्री।